Number one, why I stopped uploading. There's actually a few reasons. Number one, everyone knows about my channel. Literally everyone in my life knows about this YouTube channel, so it makes it kind of hard to be creative, you know? Wait, before we start, let's get serious. So everyone knows about my YouTube channel. Like, I can't upload anything without getting like phone calls and messages asking me from my family if I'm okay. Like my brothers grew up watching my channel and now they're traumatized. Even my work found out. They do like, how can I upload and then do I can't. Remember my first 100 sub celebration when I took all those shots? My mom actually started crying because she asks, they were all water, you know. They were all water if she asks though. Number two, shadow. So I didn't think shadow banning was a thing, I didn't think it was real until I saw Armada streaming. He gets like 2 viewers on YouTube, but he has like 100,000 subscribers. On Twitch he gets like 300, 400, 500. I get messages like this. Like, I get these kind of messages like not frequently, but you know, sometimes, which I appreciate a lot. I appreciate all of you and all your messages and all your stuff. I recognize most. I love you guys. You're good guys. And girls. Number four, why was there no Christmas calendar this year? Well, alright, so here's what happened. I broke my arm in November. And sorry, I just ate, so I'm trying to lose weight. I'm becoming too alright. Too much like Elon Musk. You get too much muscular, you know, we can't even call it muscles anymore. We have to call it like Nazi pads or I don't know. So I broke my arm at a bar. I was at a bar. A guy was like, I can arm wrestle, and I think I was good at arm wrestling. So I arm wrestled him, and I was winning. I was winning because I was pretty good. Good enough to break half an arm. The other guy broke the other half. So I put all my weight, as you do, you put all your weight on it, and when I had all my weight on it, he put all his weight on it that way, and that wasn't great. He was also like 23 years old and like a head taller than me, so he had drinking more like milk. And it's not because he was stronger, you know. If he was just stronger, man, I would have lost. But it takes two to break an arm, as this. But here's the upside. Number one, the upside. I have a whole list of like 30 life hack video plan. I was actually a good boy this year. I was a good boy last year. I made a whole list. I had like 22 video ideas. I had it all prepared for the life hacks challenge. They're all in the list. Chapter 3. What happens now? So I can't upload to this channel anymore. So that's, yeah. No more of this. No more Arson. Arson goes away. Number, will you delete your channel now? No. Not what's the plan? So here's the plan. Arson is, that's no more. We're starting from scratch. We're starting from zero. We're gonna be anonymous from now on. At least, I'm gonna be in the face. No more Arson in the face. Number 5, another problem with my channel. So another problem with my channel is that it's kind of too varied. It's kind of too much variety on one place. I like cook videos, I have comment confessions, I have life hacks, I have like a skull of a sheep thing, I smash videos, it's top 10s, it's streaming some games, it's all over the place. I do too many. It's not good. It's not good for YouTube, you know. YouTube hates that. So here's what we're doing now. Here's the new plan. We're not gonna have a channel to do videos anymore. We're gonna have several channels to do videos to anymore. Okay, so here it is. We're gonna have one YouTube channel for comment confessions, one for life hacks, one for cooking, one for, I don't fucking know, like Nevin reviews. Dude, that's a good, wait. That's fucking good. Alright, dude, yeah, Nevin reviews, dude, that's fucking funny. You know, all the jokes are gonna be about things being cheap. Oh, that's so good, he's gonna love it. I'm gonna have to find a new Nevin though. He's been on a vacation for a while. He's hard to come by these days. It's hard to come by a good Nevin, you know, the brother of mine. Arson reads, dude. You know Cryotic, the guy who turned out to be like kind of not a cool guy, but had a cool thing where he like read things. I always wanted to do that, but that's like, I can't fit that on my It fit. So we'll have all these different channels, and then we'll race the channels and see which one works out. So instead of having one channel I don't upload to, I'm gonna have several. Excuse me. And also we got a new name, because obviously you can't be Arson Bjork anymore. Naming myself after a crime wasn't really good for marketing anyway. And I can't tell you my new... don't eat before recording. I ate a bunch of spaghetti. And now I regret it. Alright. But I have renamed my Twitch. My Twitch has already been renamed to the new name. And it's in the description. And I won't tell you where to find it, because then it's all the people who know, they're gonna find... Oh no! You forgot this! Dude, I'm fucking excited for this. I haven't been excited to make a video, because like the best thing was like December's when I got to make videos every day. I don't know, I just get so jazzed about it. And now I have several channels. They can be like my little childs, and I like. And now whenever I come up with a new video idea, I'll just make a new channel for it. Oh, and Magic the Gathering. We'll have a Magic the Gathering channel. Whatever. I mean, we'll see. I already made all the channels. So there you have it. No more Arson. Arson Bjork. Dead. Dude, why didn't I even have a beer for this? I didn't. Dude, that's the April Fools about this. I didn't have a beer. I didn't drink for this. April Fools. My throat is unlubricated with alcohol. I'll go fix that. Part 2, Arson gets a beer. Oh yeah, and there's already a few videos up on some of the new channels. You know, there's already something up there. It's already there, some of it. The others are getting videos soon. Stay tuned. I'm getting to it. After the beer.